Welcome to today's video, where we will be discussing how a plant-based diet can help you lose weight and live a healthier life. The science behind plant-based diets. 1. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet can lead to weight loss and improve overall health outcomes. 2. Plant-based diets are typically high in fiber, low in saturated fats and cholesterol, and rich in nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 3. Research has also shown that plant-based diets can lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Plant-based foods for weight loss. 1. Fruits and vegetables are the foundation of a plant-based diet and can help you feel full and satisfied without consuming many calories. 2. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta can also help you feel full and provide important nutrients. 3. Plant-based protein sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh can help you build muscle and keep you feeling full. Tips for incorporating a plant-based diet for weight loss. 1. Start by adding more plant-based foods to your diet gradually. 1. Try to aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. 2. Swap out meat for plant-based protein sources in meals like chili, stir fries, and tacos. 3. Experiment with new plant-based recipes to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. 4. Drink plenty of water and avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice. Meal plan and sample menu. 1. A plant-based meal plan can include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. 1. Here's a sample menu to get you started. Breakfast: smoothie bowl with frozen berries, almond milk, and chia seeds. Snack: apple slices with almond butter. Lunch: quinoa salad with roasted vegetables and chickpeas. Snack: carrots and hummus. Dinner: tofu stir-fry with brown rice and mixed vegetables. 2. Remember to focus on variety and balance to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. How to stay on track. 1. Set realistic goals and track your progress. 2. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's online or in person. 3. Don't be too hard on yourself if you slip up. 3. Just get back on track and keep going. Conclusion. 1. Thank you for watching today's video on how a plant-based diet can help you lose weight and live a healthier life. 1. I hope you found this information helpful and are inspired to make some positive changes to your diet. 1. Remember, small steps can lead to big results, and with a little effort and commitment, you can achieve your health and wellness goals.